Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Desk for You, and this is Satish. Today's agenda is Pycharm installation. So in this session I will show you how to download the Pycharm and how to install the Pycharm and how to set up a project in the Pycharm and how to run the sample program. Why I choose Pycharm means most of the people using Pycharm to run the Python programs, and Pycharm also more convenient and more user friendly. It is easy to use and easy to debug the code. In this Pycharm, you can easily trace the errors and you can easily understand the program architecture also. So, I am going to be showing how to install Pycharm and how to create one program in that Pycharm and how to execute it. So, that is today's session. So, friends, first we need to download the Pycharm. So, for that, I am typing Pycharm download in Google, and it is showing official site www.jetbrains.com. So this is the official site where you can download the Pycharm. And here Pycharm have two types of versions. One is professional, another one is community channel. Community version completely open source and free source, so that we can use directly. But professional is not free source. It is available free trial for 1 month. If you want, you can try it, but it's a payable after 1 month. And also professional version having many more features comparatively community channel. So in professional version you can create directly Django project and Flask project, but whereas in community only we can work on core and advanced Python. We cannot create project directly for the frameworks. So that is only the difference. So as a free version I'm going with community version. So I'm just clicking on the community download button, and so it's getting downloading. So see here in bottom of that it's getting downloaded. Once downloading completed, then we can start installation process. So we have to wait until the downloading completed. And also we have versions for Mac and Linux also. So if your system is MacBook, go to the Mac and click the download, and if your Linux, go to Linux and you have to click to download. And if your system is Windows, just you can go for Windows and download the download button. So Pycharm is available on all operating systems, so you can use for all operating systems. And same way Python is also available for both Mac and Linux, so you can download and you can install in Mac and Linux also. So Pycharm downloaded successfully. Now I'm going to that folder, and now as similar to Python installation, just double click on that. It will start the installation process. Click on next, and it is destination folder where your Pycharm getting installing. So if you want to change, you can change it, or otherwise you just continue that. Next, and it is asking that like create desktop shortcut. Yes, if you want you can create it. And update context menu means what it means. If you are activate this checkbox means whenever you are trying to open any file, it will also show you a context menu option like open with Pycharm. So I'm adding this. And association.py means directly it will detect the .py files wherever you have in your computer. And update path variable, like so add launcher directory to path means, so whenever you are directly running the Pycharm, it will connecting with the path. So I'm not ticking this. I'm just clicking on next and click on install. So installing is going on. So once installing completed, then we can create a project and we can work on sample program. So we have to wait until this installation completed. So installation completed. So now I'm just click on run button so that it will start for the first time, and I'm click on finish. So not only Pycharm, you can use other editors also. We have many editors available for Python execution. So here if you have the already installed copy, you can take this particular installation folder. If not, do not import settings, just click on OK. And now Pycharm getting opening, and it is asking that which theme you want to like. So if you are a dark theme, you can go for this one. If you are light theme, if you go for second one. So I am going for first theme. So and also next feature plugins, like see here. So if you want to work with like R language, so here it is giving R language support also. And idea Vim, this is the Vim editor enable in Pycharm. And even AWS toolkit is also giving an option to install. Like these are additional plugins, so it is optional. So I'm not going to be installing as of now. So I'm just start using Pycharm and clicking on this. And here if you see, it's ready to open. And but the first time, see, if you have already created some project or if you downloaded from somewhere, you just click on open and you can open the respective folder. You can work on that. If not, you can, if you want to create a new project, just create a new project and it will ask you the project name. So I'm giving project name as hello project, and here it is asking that environment, like which compiler you want to use it. Like as I said, Python is already installed, so Pycharm is using existing installed Python interpreter to run the code. So if you want to use that one, or if you want to use new environment also, we can create the virtual environment. So I'm using existing interpreter. So that is here, see, it is not showing anything, but we can go to add the environment interpreter. So here I'm clicking on system interpreter. So it is showing that where we installed previously, and now click on OK. So now you can observe that, see, the installed Python only showing here, and now click on create, and now it's creating the project with the name hello project. And in this you can create n number of Python files and you can run directly from the Pycharm itself. There is no need of opening the command prompt. So this is your project which we created, and here I'm right click on the hello project, so new, and here you have an option Python file. So just click on the Python file and you can type the name of the file. Let's take, I'm giving hello. So just if you are giving dot extension also is dot no problem. If not also no problem, it will create automatically extension .py because we chosen already Python file. So here you see hello.py came. Now you can type the program which you want to run in the Pycharm. So let's take print welcome to Pycharm, and as usual I want to read a value from the keyboard. So here I'm taking name equal to input of enter name, and here I'm printing that name which we entered from the keyboard. Let's take welcome to name. So this is the file which we created. So it is auto save, automatically it will be saved in the Pycharm. And now if I want to run this, so just go to the run and click on the run button. And for the first time you need to set the configuration to run this file. So we have to add the Python interpreter. Here you see Python is already available here, and here just click on the Python. Yeah, so it's showing, see here everything is available, Python interpreter, and everything is automatically set. If not, you can set it out by selecting the Python interpreter. So Python project default is showing, and as well as Python 3.8 is also, but both are same in our case. So we can take project default also and now run it. So now you will see the output in the console which is available in the Pycharm itself. So we have to run the hello. So I open run hello. Yes. So now you see welcome to Pycharm, enter name. Let's take, I'm giving, now you see welcome to Satish. So this is the way how you want to run the program. So once the setup is done, every time you need not to set up the interpreter, it will go take the automatically that interpreter, new Python file. Let's take, I'm giving something add. So see here, so let's take example a equal to, already explained in previous class, it is a dynamically typed, so no need to define the data type of the variable. It will understand by default the type of the variable by the given value only. So just I'm giving print a plus b. See here, so if I want to run the add.py, just right click on the program and run add. So now it will give you directly the answer C30. So like this we can create the project in the Pycharm, and we can also create the Python programs in Pycharm and we can run it. So it is somewhat easy comparatively command prompt because it is more simple. And even if you see here, so if you do some kind of any kind of wrongs here, it will show you an error. See here, immediately showing red mark, end of the statement expected, something called unresolved response, something like that. It is immediately responding. So this is all about installation about Pycharm and execution of Python program in Pycharm. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment in comment section. And for online and offline classes, please visit our website www.fratelleinotech.com. And also please visit for more tutorial our website www.kennisworld.com. Thanks for supporting us. And if you really like this video, please support us by subscribing this channel. And please hit the bell icon for more notifications. Please like the video and share the video. Thanks for watching.